Hello everyone, my name is Oni Oliver Kamlasi. In this video, I will discuss about human brain and language. So, let's check it out. The most complicated organ of human body is the brain. Uh, it located right under the skull and is contracted of about 10 billion nerves connected by billions fibers. 1. The gray color as in the following pictures is stellate cortex or uh, cerebral cortex to be more general. 2. Uh, the frontal lobe contains the areas that control movements such as the primary motor and the premotor. The parietal lobe contains the primary sympathetic cortex. This cortex plays a role in general body sensation. The temporal lobe contains the uh, primary auditory cortex involved in hearing. It has a language area called uh, Wernicke. The occipital lobe contains the primary visual cortex with process visual information. Cerebrum or the cortex is divided into left and right, commonly known as left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Cerebrum that collects right under the cerebrum hemisphere is also divided into two. It functions to maintain the balance and to control motor muscular behavior. The cerebral cortex is divided into two hemispheres with different but complementary functions. In a very simple why the left hemisphere process information sequentially and analytically, whereas the right hemisphere process information analytically. As mentioned earlier, the cerebral cortex is constructed of about a billion nerves connected by billions fibers based on highly selected functions parents. Fibers connect one hemisphere to another. Its primary cortex is connected to its association area with fibers. One primary cortex is linked to another primary cortex with fibers. Fibers also connect each part of the cerebral cortex to thalamus and other subcortical structure and parts of the brain. In linguistics, the term lateralization is also to refer to the development of control over different functions by different parents, especially by the left or the right hemisphere of the brain. This process of development is sometimes also called uh, cerebral dominance. The critical period is the period in which certain human behavior is readily acquired. Outside this period, the behavior would be not readily or not easily acquired. The part of human brain that function to control language can be identified. Several means associated to identify uh, cerebral functions are described as follows. This test makes us of sodium emitter which is injected into an uh, carotid artery. The effect of the injected is that the injected liquid can act reply to temporarily anesthesia certain part or area of the cerebral hemispheres. In addition to water test and EEG, part of the brain or the cortex that processes or uh, stores certain components of language can be identified. Cases of brain damage. Generally, damage in different area of the cortex selectively impair different components or process of speech or reading. Aphasia can simply be understood as speech disorder or speechless caused by damage in uh, certain area of the brain. Well, that's all from my video. I apologize if there is any mistake and deficiency. Thank you all for watching. God bless you in this pandemic situation. Bye bye.